Okay, this arrived yesterday. I haven't opened it yet. Wayfarer. These are the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. Let me get some light on this. Okay, let's open these up, see what they are. These, I think, have a transition lens. Very nice. Okay, here they are. This is the charging case. I have a pair of these on right now. But they do not have the transition lenses. Mine are glossy black. These are flat black. And okay, as you can see, they're clear now. And I am wondering, can I pair two glasses to my phone? So we'll see. Okay, as you can see, these are darkening up. Actually pretty good. So I haven't even tried them on yet, but boy, they got dark really well. I don't like that they are the flat black, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go back inside and see how they do. Boy, they got pretty dark. Okay. They're lightening up now.